Hello everyone, welcome to your biology class. So this video is in continuity with the previous video of the chapter pollution. And the main objectives we are covering in this video are water pollution and its sources, soil pollution and its sources. First of all, water pollution. Water pollution means decrease in the quality of water by the presence of various solid and liquid waste which makes the water unfit for human use. Sources of water pollution. So there are different sources of water pollution. First of all is household detergents. The term detergent cleansing agents is applied to wash materials like clothes, garments and utensils. The dirty water flows down the drain and causing massive water pollution. Then next is domestic sewage. The major source of domestic waste are kitchen, washing, bathing, human urine, excreta and other household wastewater. They are finally discharged into nearby water bodies, ponds, lakes or rivers. In many cities, small towns and villages, there is no permanent sewage treatment plant to remove the dirty water and release the clean water into nearby water bodies for disposal of these waste. Even dead bodies are disposed of in rivers, especially in India. Ashes of dead bodies after ceremonies are flown into the rivers, causing water pollution. Now here is a picture showing household detergents causing water pollution. So next source of water pollution is the industrial waste. A large number of waste including organic and inorganic chemical are industrial complexes. Major industries that contributes to the water pollution are chemical, textile, leather, distillery, etc. The chief pollutants are heavy metals, organic compounds and several toxic substances. Almost all the rivers in India are polluted with the industrial effluents. Now next source of water pollution is the oil spills. These are accidental discharge of petroleum in the oceans or estuaries. Oils when discharged into water form a thick blanket on the water surface, curtailing oxygen supply and thus proves to be highly fatal to aquatic life. So here are the few evidences which helps to know that how oil spills causes water pollution and they are proved fatal to the aquatic life. Now next source of water pollution is the thermal power plants, oil refineries and nuclear power plants. Most industries, thermal power plants, oil refineries and even nuclear power plants need to cool their machineries. They use water for this purpose. This part of wastewater may be 10 to 12 degrees Celsius warmer than the intake water. It is released into the nearby rivers or sea causing warming which adversely affect the aquatic life. Now next is soil pollution. Soil pollution is the decrease in soil fertility because of the addition of some foreign elements. Soil is the most important component of the earth's crust. Soil is polluted like air and water, but it remains restricted to the fields affected, unlike air and water pollution. So, sources of soil pollution. So, first one is the industrial waste. Industrial complexes discard millions of tons of solid waste every year. The major sources of industrial pollutants are from pulp and water mills, oil refineries, various chemicals, power and heating plants. Almost all the industrial furnaces generate fly ash which is added to the soil. Surface mining and strip mining remove topsoil and even subsoil. So, this picture depicts how our soil or Mother Earth is polluted by the human activities. Now, next source of soil pollution is the urban, commercial and domestic waste. So, most of the waste is generated in the urban areas which includes domestic, commercial and industrial waste. It is often dumped in public places such as streets, parks, picnic areas, bus stops, near shops and in the open areas outside the city. These waste includes old scraps, old newspapers, discarded papers, wooden furniture, glass cans, old or broken appliances, tires, plastics, etc. The accumulation of the waste pollutes the soil. Toxic acids are also produced from the heap of the waste that leach down in the soil. Industrial waste is in most cases is very toxic and can pollute the soil. So this is the evidence picture showing soil pollution caused by various industrial and domestic waste. So the next source of soil pollution is the chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers like nitrates, phosphates and ammonium salts are used to increase the yield of crops. Their excessive use is harmful. Rainwater slowly washes them away to lakes and ponds. This leads to faster growth of bacteria which consumes large amount of oxygen in water, causing death of the aquatic animals. Now this picture clearly showing farmers spraying pesticides on crops leading to soil pollution and water pollution. Thank you.